Macchiato la partita.
Siamo veloci. Pronta la strada? No. Sto facendo forza un po'. Sto facendo quadrare. Eccolo. Ma infatti c'è un
Arrivo.
Salmone va bene.
Basta salire.
Facciamola camminare bene. Venia, quando mi chiami la Nova, dillo anche alla testina.
Scoppia. No, fagliela scoppiare, Angolo.
La vecchietta.
I can't stop shaking. The room has a groove and the floor is almost earthquaking. Look what we
Questo vento soprattutto. Ma non capisci un cazzo proprio. È rincoglionito completo.
No, si è cortocircuitato con Ciccio Cappellari.
Ragazzi, stiamo uscendo.
Cotton candy in April skies. People walking hand in hand in the park. Strawberry colored children smile, and nobody's really trying too hard. Don't you love how that makes you feel? It might seem like no big of a deal, but nothing's further from the truth.
Non mi fate fare casino, di che tu vai
Talking about those golden rays, don't disappear. Clouds will come too soon anyway, so seize the sunny days. Seeing magic in a million things, like the promise of tomorrow and today, like the joy of tasting the dewdrop rains.
Ragazzi, facciamo un regalo, questi sono 15 minuti.
Nothing's like the present time, reaching high as far as I can, trying to remind you that sunny days are here. Talking about those golden rays, don't disappear. Clouds will come too soon anyway, so seize the sunny days. Hold on and hold fast. Take these moments, try to make them last, 'cause they will pass you by before you know. Before you know. Sunny days are here.
Well, there's three versions of this story, mine and yours, and then the truth. Now we can put it down to circumstance, our childhood, then our youth. Out of some sentimental gain, I wanted you to feel my pain, but it came back, returned to sender. I read your mind and tried to calm, my tears could fill the outlet hall. Is this the sound of sweet surrender? What a shame we never listened. I told you through the television, and all that went away was the price we paid. People spend a lifetime this way. Oh, what a shame. So I got busy throwing everybody underneath the bus. And with your poster 30 foot high at the back of Toys R Us, I wrote a letter in my mind, but the words were so unkind, about a man I can't remember. I don't recall the reasons why, I must have meant them at the time. Is this the sound of sweet surrender? What a shame we never listened. I told you through the television,